Hey there. Looks like you caught me on my beach day. Well, you look like you need a beach day, so I'm gonna show you how to beach day. Oh, so the first thing you want to know is how to sunbathe. Well, there's a lot of cancer out there, so first you want to make sure you get all that UV up on you. Alright, so next up, we just have to place a towel on the ground, right? And you just want to jump right on. You know, the sand may get all up in your grill, but don't worry about that. Okay, so next thing you want to do is take your little tootsies in the sand, you know how it is. And then just like, alright, lie down, wriggle around a little bit. Alright, and just stay like that, 30 minutes. And then when 30 minutes is done, you want to flip right on over. And that's how you sunbathe. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to boogie board. So, to make sure that it doesn't actually, get away from you, you have to put the strap on your wrist so it doesn't fall. I forgot I'm right-handed, so let's put that down. And, alright, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go boogie boarding. So, Team 10 and all that.
What? Don't run in! Oh my god.
So you want to know what to eat while you're at the beach. You need a snack, right? So come on with me. Little known fact, you can actually eat sand. The ones with the most flavor is actually the yellow sand, right there. You just want to, grab some of that. Right there. Good. Just,
Oh my god!
Okay, so while you're at the beach, you might want to take a beach picture to tell your friends that you're at the beach. So with my Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime, I'm gonna do just that. So you want to tap the little thing that kind of looks like a camera, because it looks like a camera, and cameras can take pictures. All right, so then you want to do like a little playful. You want to do like a little playful thing. Sit back, take your little flippy flops off. You just want to put your little tootsies in the sand, right? My camera failed, but don't worry about that. Alright, so next you just want to get some sand up on your tootsies. Just take that. Alright. That's a good picture. That's a good picture. That's good. So what you want to do while you're at the beach is you probably want to swim, right? And you don't want to lose all your stuff while you're there. So you gotta take it all off, And now, I'm ready to swim. Whoa, it's just like I'm a fish. Woo, I love the beach. Well, I just showed you how to have a nice beach day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. it's actually snow. That's it. It got in my mouth.
What got in your mouth?
The sunscreen. No. Fight me, bro. Also, we're gonna do another holiday. We're gonna do one more snow-themed video and one holiday-themed video. Alright, I'm ready to go. I'm ready. No, stop.
Yo, you're looking pretty thick.
Please subscribe. I don't want to do this anymore. Hey, if I get 20 likes on this, I'll do a how to snow day while we're at the beach in summer.